So we have this kind of question. We have this kind of question where we are given the two circles, center A and center B. The small circle is a radius of 0.5, and the big one has a radius of 0.8. So you are told you find the length of CD, the length of CD here. So we said, when you want to find the length of this tangent here, and this radius here is 0.5 and this is 0.8, you are supposed to produce this 0.5 on this side, 0.5 up to around somewhere there. This one there, from this point, from that point there. So this is exactly 0.5. That's exactly 0.5. So this one makes an angle of 90 degrees at that point. So the distance between the two centers, AB, forms the longest side of a right angled triangle. So when you want to find the length, let's say this point is X here. This point where it makes an angle of 90 degrees when you produce this rectangle there. This is X. So you have a triangle that looks like this. You have a triangle that looks like this. I think we can have the questions so that we can. So you have the length at a triangle that looks like this. This is point X, and this is point B, and this is point A. So AB is 3. AB is 3. And this distance here, if this was 0.8 and this is 0.5, then meaning that this is 0.3. So this is 0.3. So the examiner is talking of find the length of XA. Find the length of XA. So how do you find XA? How do you find XA? So XA will be XA squared equals to 3 squared minus 0.3 squared. Work out that. So work out that. 3 squared minus 0.5 minus 0.3. So 3 squared, that's 9 minus 0.09. 9 minus 0.09. That becomes 0.81. 8.91. That is XA squared equals to 8.91. 8.91. So what is 8XA? The square root of 8.91. Square root here, okay. Itakuwa 2.98. So 2.98. So therefore, the length of this one from here to this point is 2.98. It's the same as this 2.98, which is the same as 2.98. So that is the length of this belt. That's the length of that belt. Is that okay? So we have the distance 2.98, 2.98. So we have that. So we have that one. So then we already have got the length of CD. We already got the length of CD. So that was question 1. So question 1, CD, our CD there now is 2.98. 2.98. 2.98. So that one is done. So you just produce from the small one. This 0.5 you produce. You get this side 0.5. So therefore this here left is 0.3. It's this one here now. Now, then from there, I want us to find this angle. You find this angle. The angle at B, this angle here. So we can use the same triangle to find. We can use the same triangle to find this angle, because this is angle B here. This angle B, this point X here. So you can use this point, this side, and this one. If you want this angle, then this side is opposite, adjacent, and this is hypotenuse. So therefore, when you write soccer tower there, then you don't have opposite. Let's use adjacent and hypotenuse. So achana na mahali tuko na opposite. So you use cosine of theta there. That's theta there is equals to adjacent 0.3 all over 3. 0.3 over 3. 0.3 over 3. 0.3 over 3. So that becomes 0.1. 0.1. That becomes 0.1. So therefore, what is the cos of inverse of 0.1? Cos inverse of 0.1. So cos inverse. Shift cos 0.1. You get this is 84.26 degrees. 84.26 degrees. So this is the size of this angle. 84.26 degrees. So therefore, 84.26 degrees. Then the size of angle, the whole of this angle, CBH, angle CBH will be equal to 84.26 times 2. Times 2. So we multiply that answer by 2. So 84.26 times 2, you get the answer is 168.52 degrees. 168. So this is the size of this angle. This angle. So 168 point. So this angle is 168.52 degrees. So the size of the whole of this angle CBH. That is the angle. Sawa.
Yes.
Then we said this angle here. This angle is the same as this. So this angle that you have got here is the same. So this angle is 168.52 degrees. Equal up than here angle. Because this angle, this belt is rotating at an angle of at this point on using this angle. So therefore this angle and yet we part up and you go up. So but now when it reaches here, it is rotating at this angle. That reflects angle. So therefore you find the size of this other angle there. That other angle. So this angle, we said it is 360 minus this. 360 minus 168.52. You get that angle. So 360 minus 168.52. So the angle is 191. 191.48. 191.48 degrees. 191.48 degrees. 191.48 degrees. So 181.48 degrees. So you have this 181.48 degrees. So we are done with that part. We are done with finding those angles. So once you get this angle, you're able to get this, and you're able to get also this other angle this side. Then from there, what you do, once you find the angles. So in our question, you are told find the length of the ray DE. This was what? This side was what? Hapa tumeandika ikiwa A, B, C, D, E. Was it F? Yeah, let's take it as D, E, F. D, E, F. That length. So you want to find this length. You'll use this angle because it is an arc. Take an angle of 168.52 over 360 times 22 over 7 times there's a 0.5. The radius is 0.5. So diameter is 1 times 1 plus. There's other, because you want to find the arc length. You want to find the arc length. You want to find the arc length. So you take this one as 181 plus 181.48 all over 360 times 22 over 7 times the diameter here, the radius was 0.8. So diameter must be 1.6. So this is how to find the arc length. To find this, and to find this. That is how to find that one. So we already have this length of that leg. And this one, the one that is rotating. So the length of that arc. So take this plus this. First, you add to 2.8 plus 2.8. Then you have got the 4 question. So please work out that and give me the answers. So Masha, so work out that. I'm waiting for your answers. So the first one is 1.471. Are you getting what I'm getting? 1.471. 1.471. 141.4 divided by 360 times 22/7 times 1.6. You get plus 2.675. Are you getting what I'm getting?
Yes.
So then add to 1.41471. This answer comes to 4.146. So this is just the length of this rays. The one that is rotating. It is the length of the ray that is rotating. It's an arc, which is equal to the total of 4.146. So what is the total length now of this belt, of this race? So the distance will be plus 2.98. Plus 2.98 plus 2.98. So add that one. So take that value that you got there. So take 4.146 plus 2.98 plus 2.98. You add. That is the total length. That is the total length. So that's what you get, Masha. So I hope that is, so I'm clear on that one, because you produce it from this side. You produce it from this side, the small one. You then you produce 0.5. So that kind of question, you work it out. So what's the final answer? There, when you add 4.146 plus 2.98 plus 2.98, you get that is 10 point. Are you getting what I'm getting? 10.106 centimeters. So you are getting that?
Yes.
Yeah, so that should be the length of the belt. So therefore, that's a question that I had given you. So the 10 marks there, that's how to get 10 marks.